Hey, we're going to show in this video how to re-trigger checklist sections based off multi-record tables. This is an example of a checklist section based off the home study table, which is a multi-record or has multi-record properties. So you can have multiple home studies on a case. We're starting here because the home study packet sent date needs to be entered in order to trigger this checklist section. Also want you to take note that there's parent to employment verification as long as the app2 first name is not empty. So the app2 first name must be entered on a record. So now I'm going to go over to this families cover page, and there is only one applicant entered at this time. I've got to enter a home study record, and I'm going to enter the home study packet sent date. Okay, so we've got an auto action. I'm just going to cancel this. But when I go back to the checklist now, I see a bunch of different sections. The checklist section that we're looking at specifically is the home study documents. And as you can see, we have parent 1, but we do not have parent 2. So let's say that parent 2 is now found out. This could be true if you had conditions around a state or any other particular value. If you re-entered it, the checklist section's already been triggered, so it's not going to refresh. So in order to refresh it, you'll need to get the data correct. Okay, so I'm going to add in a second applicant. And then I'm going to go back to the checklist and click edit order. This is going to open up the trash can. So I can go to the home study documents section, and I'm going to delete this section. And then I'm going to go back to the home study record where that checklist section was based off of. This was the triggering field. I'm going to remove this. Oops. And then I'm going to re-trigger it. And I'm going to cancel this auto action. We're going to go back to the checklist. And here's our home study documents section. And now we have parent 2 because Sam has the proper logic to display that information. If there were data points entered or documents that had been uploaded, those will all be maintained.